regarding the new Floyd Rose BP1000 replacement trim arm. They made an ingenious improvement over the old trim arm assemblies. Here's one of the old assemblies here. Even better, here's one here. Okay, this part slides into the base plate, and then this collar, pressure collar, is held on by this Allen screw, okay, to the base plate. So the base plate is right in between the two, and it's held on with the screw. Now, people were complaining over time, and I once had the same thing happen to me, that this was sliding, this was slipping. So the nut wasn't holding it well enough, so I put a lock washer on the old assembly to keep it tight, and it did, it worked. But the threads, either on this piece here or on the trim arm collar itself, wore out over time. I haven't inspected this yet to see if it's the threads on this side. But anyway, so what the new trim arm assembly is the same type of, sorry about the light, this shaft is the same. And this knurled part in here is for grasping the base plate, so it locks it into place, or pressure sets it into place. Anyway, so this, instead of holding this cylinder on, pressure cylinder on, with an Allen screw, this whole piece becomes the Allen screw. You see there, the whole thing is an Allen screw. In other words, it's less parts, so it's simpler. So this screws up onto this, and the base plate sits right here. So this entire screw also acts as a nut. Pretty ingenious. So I'm going to slide the new, no, not that one, jeez. This new assembly into the guitar. Sorry about that. I'll place this new shaft into the base plate. Okay. That doesn't slide in as easily. Okay. The new shaft doesn't slide in so easily, so I'm going to use some Teflon grease and just grease this knurled section right here, just slightly. That is just to help it slide into place. Hopefully. That's not going to do it, is it? So apparently this just sits contacting the base plate knurled inside of the knurled part of the base plate. As you can see, they didn't actually slide into the knurls in the base plate on this unit here. But the nut is holding it into place so far. Time will tell whether that works, or whether I'm going to have to force this with a rubber mallet into the base plate. I don't know. But the important thing about these trim arms are this part right in here. These, what in metal work would be called tits, metal tits there. See those protrusions right there? That's the difference between the Schaller Floyd Rose trim arm and any other Floyd Rose trim arm. If you don't have these tits or these protrusions, you don't have a permanently set trim bar. It's going to loosen over time. This sets it in place.